Chris, it was fast and frantic. Could have gone out either way in that second half, couldn't it?
Yeah, I think you could see both teams how much the win sort of meant to us, and yeah, it got end to end, and now we gave it everything.
Very open that second half, Nemanja.
Yeah, it was open. We attacked both teams. I think it was a great game for the supporters. I think they enjoying this game. Unlucky for us that we couldn't score the third one. I think that we deserved.
The fact that you kept coming back, you had to come back twice, that's a good sign.
Yeah, I know that everyone knows that the confidence is not high, but I think that we showed great character tonight, and this is the way we have to fight until the end of the season.
A few surprises in the team sheet before the match, because we were told there was a number of absentees, particularly in defence, but the players were asked to step up. You were among them. The manager asked for a bit of sacrifice from you guys. Was that the story?
Yeah, I think all of us, we know that we're in a tough sort of patch of form, and we've got injuries, and everyone's given everything to try and be on the pitch.
Understandably, what percentage are you fit at the moment then?
Fit enough to play, so.
But how many of you are out there walking wounded in effect?
No, I think everyone plays with sort of niggles from time to time, but no, we're all digging in because we know how important this month is.
And of course, you've had to play in a number of positions as well, Nemanja, again tonight. You need that versatility at the moment.
Yeah, I think that everyone needs to be ready to play whatever the coach asks, and yeah, this is for the team. We have to do everything.
When the equaliser went in, the Martial goal, there was a real emotion in the crowd. They're behind you and they're backing you.
Yeah, I think they could see that we were on the front foot. We was aggressive. We pressed them because we know that they like to play, and we caused them lots of problems, and felt we were unlucky not to get the third goal.
Well, United dug in, and Nemanja Matic was chief among that contingent. And there's the Man of the Match award for you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
I'm happy, and I think that everyone deserves this trophy today because everyone gave his best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.